You might be working hard in the gym, but still wasting months of your life on the wrong program. Let that sink in for a second. Imagine training consistently for 6 months, sweating, pushing yourself, believing you're making progress, only to realize later that your program was never designed to give you the results you wanted in the first place. It happens to people all the time. And the worst part, most people don't even realize it. Today, we are going to break down how to tell if you're wasting time on the wrong program, and more importantly, what you should be doing instead to actually see results. But before we dive in, if you want more videos that help you train smarter and get real results, take a second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who have been stuck in the gym with no progress. Now let's get into it. The first sign you are following the wrong program is simple. There is no clear goal. A lot of people just follow random workout they found online. One day is a HIIT workout, the next day is a bodybuilding split, and the day after that is a full body circuit they saw on social media. That's not a program. That's just activity. A real training program is built around specific goals: fat loss, muscle growth, strength, endurance. When the goal isn't clear, the workout becomes random, and random training needs a random result. The second sign you're wasting time is when your workouts never progress. Your body adapts quickly. If you are lifting the same weights during the same exercise and repeating the same reps every week, your body has no reason to change. Progression meets adaptation. That could mean adding more weight, adding more reps, increasing form, or increasing intensity over time. Without progression, your body simply maintains where it is. And if you are still here watching, take a quick moment to hit that like button and drop a comment below telling me what your current fitness goal is. Are you trying to lose fat, build muscle, or increase strength? I would love to see what you're working towards. Now, here's something most people overlook: recovery. Many people believe that more workouts equal faster results. But if your program doesn't include proper recovery, your progress slows down dramatically. Muscles don't grow when you're training. They grow when you recover. Sleep, rest days, and smart training volume are all part of an effective program. Another common problem is copying someone else's routine. Just because a program works for someone else doesn't mean it's right for you. Your experience level, schedule, recovery abilities, and goals all matters. Beginners need a different approach than advanced lifters. Someone training 3 days a lift needs a different structure than someone training 6 days a week. The best programs are built around individuals, and here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the reason people feel stuck isn't because they're lazy. It's because they've been putting effort into the wrong system. Think about it like this. If you are climbing a ladder that's leaning against the wall, it doesn't matter how fast you climb, you are still going on the wrong direction. That's exactly what happens to a bad training program. You can train hard for months, but if your program doesn't align with your goal, your progress will always be slower than it should be. So what should a good program include? First, a clear goal. Second, progressive overload. Third, balanced training, volume, and recovery. Fourth, consistency over time. When these 4 elements work together, your body has no choice than to adapt. Result becomes predictable and progress becomes measurable. If this video helps you understand how to avoid wasting time on the wrong program, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more fitness education like this. Also, like the video, share with someone who might be stuck following the wrong workouts, and leave a comment below with one thing you are going to improve in your training starting this week. Train smarter, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.